as pattern of addition, and particularly pattern of addition is something whereby, say for example, there's an invention, it's invented and the invention is filed, and in the due course obviously there is some kind of R&D or new product development, which is called as NPD, is in force for whatever reasons, and you decide that why don't I file a patent application on that. Now, the way the businesses are being run, and particularly, it's not the advent of the intelligent LLM models, because although the term artificial intelligence has been utilized, honestly, it's not artificial intelligence. It's basically the way different individuals are trying to solve the same problem, and everybody's approach is different. So it's an innovative way to do something new, and maybe in many equations you cannot get into the same output data, but the input can be anything and everything. It is only through, I would rather say, the best defensive stuff which can happen right now is to go with defensive publication. Because defensive publication, your application which you have filed and it is published, if the non-provisional application is there, the easy route is that you just concentrate on doing your business. Please don't get into this whole hassle of getting the patent granted, paying annuity fees, maintaining the dates. This business way, or I would rather say the way this business was running, maybe a good timeline would have been 1970 to 2010, perhaps 2015, not more than that. Rest all what I feel in whatever capacity I work, because the whole ideation of the patenting stuff is you receive a patent and then you decide that okay, somebody is infringing upon it, file a case and all that, that nuisance. It's not everybody's cup of tea, coffee, whatever, chaach, lassi, whatever it may be. So keep it easy. What is important here is to get to your end customer in terms of say for example, for my business, the acquisition cost was nil, because from the very beginning I was never after the client. I was always in that, I would rather say, the zone where perhaps my vision and mission was to